What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before this video gets started, I just want to show you something that is going to break your heart. Hey, it's okay. So yeah, guys, let me tell you a quick story about the cat. I got to work. I spotted a sound, like a meowing sound, a meow, 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 non-stop. So I put my stuff away, I went to the dumpster and I looked under the dumpster and I saw this little cat. This little cat right here was so small, it was so skinny. Her eyes, there was just like when some type of infection, it was just really bad. And I took the homework to rescue him because I felt so bad. I work in a trucking company and there's always constantly pickup trucks, semis, trailers, flatbeds, everything. There's chances that she was gonna get run over by a semi or something like that, and I was like, I can't let that happen. So I grabbed couple guys from work. We lift the dumpster with forklift, and the cat was like running everywhere. And since he's so small with no energy on it or anything, it was so easy to catch the cat. So I decided to take her home because I just felt so bad. I don't have a heart just to like release it or just give it to anybody that I don't trust because of the conditions that the person might treat the cat in. No, I want to find somebody that really is gonna like take care of the cat, heal it, because it's a poor thing. Look how beautiful this thing is. Look at it. Hey, say hello. Hey. Aww. So I brought it home, but I always said like I'm not planning on keeping her because I already got 2 cats and I don't want to have 3 cats, and I don't want to be the old lady with all the cats. I just don't want to do that. And even though it's so cute and everything, I feel so bad, and I'm already getting attached to this cat. He's so cute. So I still don't have a name for her. So if you guys want to help me to find a name, please comment down below and let me know what would be a great name for this cat. So yeah, guys, that was just a quick update that I wanted to share with you because I think this is something that is important. It's important to me. Why not share it? So guys, just let me know what you guys think. What should I do? But yeah, so like I said, that was just a quick update. I already brought the cat back in the house, and so far so good. I'm actually pretty impressed by the other cats. I thought they were going to be like very mean to her, but actually the cats are behaving. The female that is right there, she's actually, at first she was really mean to her, but now she's getting used to her. And the other cat, that one, that's the male. That one didn't even care about the little one or not. He just like, all they do is play together. They get along more with the male than with the female. Female is more jealous for some reason. But yeah. So anyways, guys, let me go back outside in the garage and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the truck apart, and let's get to the video. Alrighty guys, I just did a quick inspection on this truck before I took it apart, and this thing is really rusty. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm on the truck right now and I'm trying to get this bumper off. You see that? I got my flashlight right here. So this thing is really rusty. Look at all that stuff. See that? The wheel. This stuff is really, really rusty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out so I can clean all that up, but this thing is really, really bad. The guy used to haul his boat, and I guess he used to go to the ocean like halfway with the truck, and then the salt just basically ate the metal, because this thing is really rusty. Just the bedside. Up front, everything's pretty good. But the tailgate, all this stuff right here is really rusty. This is crazy. It's so rusty to take this thing off that it broke the tip of my drill thing. Wow, that's crazy. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on this dent better because underneath the truck is way too rusty, and I'm gonna need some type of torch, some type of fire, something hot that is gonna like keep those bolts and the metal hot, so that way I'm able to unscrew that, because the way it is right now, it's just like impossible. So the kind of drills that I got is just too weak, so I'm gonna have to like upgrade my drill game for something a little bit stronger. So I'm just gonna, I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and focus on this and see if I can get something accomplished today, because I'm wasting too much time on that. What's up guys, it is actually the next day here. Yesterday working underneath this truck, it was just impossible. The bolts underneath the truck, they're really rusty. It's really bad underneath the truck. So I went to Home Depot and I upgraded my drill game. Hopefully everything works as expected. And also this morning in the mail, I got like a couple boxes and it looks like I got the tailgate. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap that on, see how it looks, and hopefully everything goes as planned. So with all that being said, let's get to the video. Alrighty guys, so this is what I picked up. I got some sandpaper right here. I got some plastic repair kit. Pretty nice, you know. I don't need it right now, but it's gonna come in handy. I got some air compressor tools, like little attachments, not bad. This is the brand new drill I picked up. It's good. I got a paint guns, all kinds. Got this off Amazon. It was like almost $200, ain't bad. And then I got this to mix all the paint and do all this stuff. So that's, you know, I bought them together for that. Right here, I forgot what's in here. I got this off Amazon too. Oh yeah, here's the little wheel to remove this stuff right here. So this is gonna come really handy to remove all that trim right there. And this box right here, which again, I forgot what's in here. But anyways, yeah, I got all that stuff. I got this off Amazon. I got this on Amazon. Home Depot. So yeah, bunch of stuff. Now this morning I never capture anything on video, but I heat up that panel right there with this torch, with this right here, and I put the fire right there just to make the metal hot. And I was hitting the panel with the hammer on the other side, and this thing is just not doing it. And trying to get this bumper off, because the condition that this bumper is right now is just in the worst shape ever. It's really rusty. As I mentioned before, the guy used to hold his boat, and the bottom of this truck is just really rusty. So I'm trying to get that off so I can get that replaced or whatever. But yeah, like I said, underneath that truck is just really rusty. The bolts are like impossible to take off. I bought even this. Where is it? So I also bought this oil that penetrates rust. So hopefully this thing works. But yeah, right now I'm just a little discouraged because nothing is working. So, I mean, so far I already spent like $600 and I haven't even done anything. And I have $1,000 budget on this truck, and I don't know. Well, I gotta see how this is gonna play out. What do you think about this brand new tailgate? Guys, ignore the rust. All that stuff is gonna get taken care of when the time comes. But for right now, let's just focus on the tailgate. This bed liner right now is, it's flipped the other side, and that is because, I took it off because I had to pressure wash that thing. And yeah. So what do you think about the tailgate? Man, I think it's gonna look great. Tailgate like that. The bed liner is all black. The roof black. Black rims throughout. Everything is just gonna flow so good. Just wait and watch. So what do you guys think? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Drop your comments down below and let me know if it looks good, or should I go with something else? All right, guys, this is the new toy I'm gonna use today to remove this ugly bumper. I keep calling this thing a drill, but in reality it's not a drill, it's an impact. This is 1-inch impact wrench. So I need something heavy duty. Hopefully this thing worked as expected. Yo, what's up, guys? All right, man. So I tried taking that bumper off, but it just gave me a really hard time. I tried to heat up the bolts underneath that with the torch that I have, and that thing is just not working. When I was using the impact wrench, the force, it was shaking the bumper too much, and the heated metal that it fell off. It really got my neck and really burned my neck, and I was like, so I'm just gonna leave that for last. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm wasting too much time on that. So it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. As you guys know, I am not a professional, so bear with me. I'm gonna make mistakes throughout the process. I'm learning as I go. This is all new to me. If you ever see something that doesn't make sense, or you think that there is a better way to do it, just drop your thoughts and comments down below and let me know, because I would like to learn, better myself for upcoming projects. But anyways, guys, be sure to stay tuned. You don't want to miss out on this awesome build. Be sure to drop your like. That tells me that you like what you see and you support me and the channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. All right, guys, peace out.